Assalamu Alaikum everyone. In the previous video, we understood Ihram, the first step of Umrah. Now let's understand Miqat, because this is where many people make mistakes without even realizing it. Let's first understand what is Miqat. Miqat is the boundary set by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Before crossing this boundary, every person intending to perform Umrah must enter the state of Ihram. Why Miqat is important? You cannot cross Miqat without Ihram. If you do, you must either return to Miqat or give a penalty. That's why understanding Miqat is very important. There are 5 main Miqats depending on where you are coming from. Please refer the image on the screen to know your Miqat. If you're traveling by plane, you will not physically see the Miqat. The pilot usually announces when you're near it. At that time, you should make intention in your heart and recite the talbiyah. This is when you officially enter Ihram. When exactly to make intention? If you're wearing Ihram from home or airport, do not make intention yet. Make intention only when you're close to Miqat. If you make intention too early, Ihram restrictions will start early. If you delay and cross Miqat, then it becomes a problem. What if you cross Miqat without Ihram? If someone crosses Miqat without entering Ihram, they should go back to the Miqat, make intention there, and then continue their journey. In this case, no penalty is required. What if you do not go back? If a person does not return to Miqat and enters Ihram later, then a penalty called dam becomes necessary. Let us understand what is dam. Dam is a compensation for breaking an important rule of Umrah. It usually means sacrificing an animal like a goat or sheep and distributing it to the poor in Makkah. It is not a punishment but a way to correct a mistake. You must return to Miqat before starting Umrah. If you already started Umrah, then dam becomes necessary. Some common mistakes people make are thinking wearing Ihram clothes means they are in Ihram, making intention too early, forgetting to make intention before Miqat, not knowing which Miqat applies to them. So here is a simple rule to remember. Enter Ihram before crossing Miqat. If you miss it, go back. If you don't go back, then dam is required. In the next video, we'll understand niyyah and talbiyah in detail and how to perform them correctly. May Allah accept your Umrah and make it easy for you. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the other videos in this series for a complete step-by-step guide to Umrah. Bye-bye.